Hello, this is a quick video on how to repair the screen for the Acer Nitro 5 AN515-53-762Q series laptop. What we want to do first is take off this protector for the screen. You want to use a screwdriver or like a spudger, whatever you got on hand, and you just want to get in between the plastic here. And you want to basically take your screwdriver all around the edge, make sure the screen is taken off. It's a pretty easy process, but you want to be delicate not to damage anything. But as soon as you get that first space in, you can probably do the rest by hand. Just be careful not to damage anything. The screen was sent to me by laptopscreens.com, and they're fantastic. They do great work there. Well, I'm actually upgrading this current screen as well because they have an upgrade feature, and you can get an 120 hertz monitor for your screen. Alright, so we got the little plate off, you see. And first of all, you want to make sure that the model number is the exact same one that you're getting on laptopscreens.com for your current laptop. Let me see if I can focus on it. There we are. So you can tell the model number by flipping this screen over, and you can see the bottom of it. But first you have to get through 1, 2, 3, 4 screws, and you want to use a Phillips head for that. And I will. It's actually quite quick. Some laptop models require you to do extra stuff, but it's rather simple for this one. Alright, one done. There we are. Second one. There's the third one. The fourth one. Oh, there we are. See, I accidentally left my laptop on. So you want to make sure your laptop is completely shut off before you do all this. And you'll know that because if you tap on the screen, it doesn't wake up. I accidentally did. It's a good thing I did. Made sure the screen woke up. You want to make sure it's off. Just because you're not really doing too extensive a repair, you just want to make sure that you don't short anything. Alright, so this is my panel, and you want to make sure that the model that you're getting is like similar, if not the exact same model that you're already purchasing. Otherwise, you can always get an upgrade too, though. But you gotta make sure it's compatible. And I did, and I got an upgrade from laptopscreens.com. But now, the first thing you want to do in order to replace the screen is to get this little bit of tape off. You see, it's holding in this one cable. I think it's called a flex cable or something like that. It connects to the screen. It's the one connector. And you want to be pretty delicate here, not to damage anything. But you want to take care of the tape first before anything else, just to get leverage off of this thing instead of the wire. Alright. There it is. Easy peasy. So that first screen is off. Now we want to replace it with a better one. Here we are. Now this screen, I think it's quite good. 120 hertz. It should go straight in. Don't worry if you don't get it in the first try. There it is. Rightio. Before you get right into it, you want to see if it works. Screen turns on. Perfect. Fantastic. It's exactly what you want. Now you can hardware just shut it back down. You plug in all of your remaining screws. Alright? And careful with the screen. New one, especially. Alright, align everything with the holes. And you want to be careful here not to damage anything. Plug in your screws. Should take only a second. So this isn't, as you can see, this is like quite an easy repair. I had so many problems with my old laptop trying to repair its screen, and it always had problems because it wasn't quite as simple as this. And laptopscreens.com makes it as easy as possible because you can quite easily just take it out of the package and work on it straight away. There's not a whole matter of unwrapping involved. There we are, 3 screws done. Number 4. Fantastic. And you want to definitely take off this cover here, and you get this, you get to enjoy this plastic removal, which honestly I quite find is the most enjoyable part of purchasing a new electronic. There we are. Amazing. And we have to put on plate, finally. You want to align it perfectly. Be gentle. This isn't something to be rough with. But you want to get every single spot to be connected, even the bottom parts here. There we are. Fantastic. Well, let's see this new screen. I think it looks really good. I haven't seen this view in quite some time. My last screen, it was honestly a bit cracked and it looked really bad. But this is a breath of fresh air. Now this is a 120 hertz monitor, and I do believe that it makes your screen faster. It improves the refresh rate, because the original screen that comes with this laptop is 60 hertz, and it's alright. Some models are even able to be overclocked up to 90 hertz, but it's honestly just an improvement. 120 hertz over 90 hertz. It's fantastic. Let's see if this works. Oh, we got a cursor. It looks quite good so far. It should show up on the lock screen in a moment, but I don't quite want to show you my password. But this should give you an idea on how best to repair your laptop. This looks fantastic. The blacks are so beautiful. The colors are so fantastic. It's around 20 hertz, quite an upgrade. And delivery is quite fast as well with laptopscreens.com. I quite recommend them. So definitely give them a go if you have a chance. Oh my goodness, this is so fast. I love this. Alright, thanks for watching.